Snoring or sleep apnea can be due to multiple causes. It can be because of obesity or alcoholism, or if a patient is a chain smoker, or deviated nasal septum, or last but not the least and very important is the anatomy of our face and mouth. In some cases, it has been seen that the soft palate, if it is very thick or low lying, it can block the airway while sleeping, and it does causing the snoring. So at this point, dental intervention comes into light. There are many dental devices like mandibular advancement device or maxillary expansion devices. The main philosophy behind these dental devices is that they expand the diameter of the airway of the patient and thereby help in reducing the problem of snoring. So yes, in some cases dental devices can help in reducing the snoring problem.